My name is Moujar. I coming from Syria. I come to stay in China since more than 10 years. I'm doing lighting factory here. Since 2013, I established my factory to produce and export around the world, mostly for Middle East and some for Europe and USA or Australia. In 2018, we start in China market doing business. When we entered China market, we got more chance to improve our business. So right now, nearly we have like 40% from our capacity for China market. But for China market, they focusing in quality first, then the price second. It is the biggest market around the world. All the lighting factory here have from the low standard to the very high standard, even more than Europe standard they have. So all customer must be come here, must be buy from here. Before I come to China, I was doing business only in Syria and the country around Syria like Iraq, Lebanon, Jordan only. After I come to China here, I selling my product and I have more relation all over the world. This gives me very big chance to have customer and friends all around the world. I choose China because China is a factory for all the world. So I prefer to be one of the people who also exporting for outside China. The facilities here is too much big, different than other countries. So it is good chance for us. Here the future, because China government support the small company, the small factory till the big factory. The way to dealing with Chinese people, with Chinese government, it's very easy. So here is more convenient for doing the business. I spent here 10 years. I will continue spending here the whole my life. And the next 10 years to make big factories and to be famous around all the world. Here in China, we need to be number one.